relocation, refurbs.
Andover Minor Injuries Unit is a facility that supports our emergency departments in Winchester and Basingstoke. The hint is in the name of the unit, Minor Injuries Unit. The things that we do see are wounds, burns, broken bones, dislocated fingers, toes. We see quite a variety of things, foreign bodies and eyes. So the difference between a minor injuries unit and an emergency department is that the minor injuries unit is a practitioner, nurse or paramedic practitioner-led service. We do not have doctors on site, but we do have the availability to discuss cases with doctors within the emergency department.